Hello, guys. I'm Ted, and I'm here to talk about the Red Boost and tell you what you need to know about it. And so, wait before you buy it, right? So, talking about buying it, be careful with the website you're going to purchase it from because there's a lot of fake websites going on, a lot of people being tricked into scams in fake platforms other than Amazon or eBay. So just be careful with that. And to help you, I'm gonna just leave the description down below. And just trust this. This is trustable. This is the official website to purchase the product from. And be careful with fake ads and fake robotic voices that even use the product. But that's it. After all, what Red Boost is, does Red Boost works? Well, first of all, I have no doubt that Red Boost works for old men and also for younger men. There are already thousands of patients who have managed to report this fact. And best of all, without having to do strange exercise, dangerous surgeries, or make use of synthetic remedies or strong drugs, as it is a 100% natural remedy extracted from all the best in nature. Well, most people are unable to enjoy healthy sex like the way they used to when they were young. So the reasons could be, well, from stress to age. And as you grow old, you experience several health issues like enlarged prostate, erectile dysfunction, and premature ejaculation. And most of these issues can be solved by taking a regular, healthy diet or proper supplements. And Red Boost contains hand-picked, rare, and powerful ingredients collected in their purest form. And the five main ingredients in this supplement include Icarin 500 mg, Tomcat Ali 50 mg, fenugreek seed powder 200 mg, citrulline 200 mg, and nettle extract 100 mg, if I say those correctly. You can go to the official website to see more details about the ingredients and benefits if you want, but basically the ingredients are focused on the root cause of the problem, which is mainly the lack of circulation in the male reproductive organ. Moreover, Red Boost has been proven to increase the patient's testosterone levels. The Red Boost ingredients improve blood flow to all body organs, thus improving overall health. The supplement triggers the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels. Increased blood flows into the penile area helps to achieve a durable erection. So that's why it works perfectly. But well, be careful because this just doesn't work like magic, right? You have to take it consistently. You have to really commit to your treatment and take it every day. The best results will come when you take Red Boost consistently for at least 3 months. So that's why I strongly recommend you take advantage of the 3 or maybe 6 bottle discount package. It will work well. And well, you can rest assured because Red Boost is 100% natural, it has no side effects, and it's made under the most precise standards of quality, right? And it's also good to know the Red Boost is produced in the USA in FDA approved facility using the latest technology and the best equipment. And it's also good to know the Red Boost capsules are no GMO and completely safe. And if you worry about the product doesn't work for you because maybe each body has different in a unique way for each supplement, I get that. Well, it's good to know that the supplier gives us a 180-day money-back guarantee. It's half a year to test the product. And if it doesn't work for you, the supplier will fully refund the money without any questions or further bureaucracy. So that's right. I guess they trust the product so much that they give us 180 days, a half a year of money back. Well, this is good. This guarantees that you're really safe about your investment because you can test first for a long period. And that's it. I really hope my review helped you guys with some maybe relevant information. And just don't forget two things. Just be careful with the product, with the purchasing site. Be careful and just commit to your treatment to make it really work. And that's it. I hope you really enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, thumbs up for more, and just good luck.